Welcome to my channel, Learn Computer Technology with Naveen. In the previous video, we learned about website, web pages, types of web pages, and brief introduction of HTML. Now we will learn about the basic tags of HTML. There are four basic tags of HTML. They form the basic structure of every HTML web page. They are always required to write the HTML code for web page. HTML is not a case sensitive language. It means, as you can see on the screen, all tags are displayed in capital, but you can write in capital or small letters. Here I have written in capital because we cannot change the name of tag and you can use as it is. The very first tag is HTML tag. This tag or element tells your browser that the file contains HTML coded information. This is the beginning tag of each HTML page. Second tag is head tag. This tag identifies the first part of the HTML document that contains the title that is shown as part and on the top of the web page. Third tag is title tag. This tag displays the title on the title bar or on the tab of the browser window. Fourth tag is body tag. HTML document can be divided into two parts, head and body part. The head part is shown on the top of the web page or document. The body tag contains the entire content of HTML document. It means you can include all contents in this tag. Now, how to create HTML file? Let's take an example to create HTML document file. For this, we use any text editor or web editing tool. We can use text editor like Notepad or Notepad++ to write HTML code. But I have used Sublime Text web editing tool. This tool has so many features and you can also install various plugins with them according to the web development tools that you require. The Sublime editor is free and open source web editing tool that can be easily downloaded. To download it, you just open any web browser and type Sublime Text Editor download in search bar. It searches so many URLs. The very first URL that you can see in Google search, click on it. It opens the Sublime Editor URL site. In this site, click on download link. It will open the next web page. we have to select the particular version of Sublime Text Editor depending upon the operating system installed on your PC. I am selecting Windows 64-bit Hyperlink because Windows 7 64-bit operating system is installed on my PC. After this, download will start and it takes some time depending upon your internet speed. And after completion of download, you can install it. But I have already installed Sublime Editor on my PC. So I just opened it by selecting Start button and click on Sublime Text option to open the Sublime Editor. Now I want to create any HTML examples in a particular folder. So I will create a folder on desktop with the name HTML. Now again, go into the Sublime Text Editor, open that folder by selecting File menu and then select Open Folder option from the pull-down menu. It will display a dialog box. From this dialog box, select that particular folder and click the Select Folder button. Now, this folder will be displayed on the left pane of Sublime Editor, as you can see. Now, you can create a new HTML web page by just right-clicking on that folder and choose New File option. It will display a blank file on the right panel of the Sublime Editor. Now, you can save this file with a particular name. So, click on Save option from the File menu or press Ctrl S shortcut key to open the dialog box. In this dialog box, I will give the name hello.html. Hello is the name of file and HTML is the extension that is required to save the HTML document. Now, write the basic code of HTML. Like, I am writing HTML tag in starting and also the closing tag, which represents that this file contains the HTML code. The HTML tag is the container tag that is required to close the relevant opening tag. The only difference between opening and closing tag is the slash symbol that is used in closing tag. Then inside HTML tag, write head tag opening and closing, which shows the head section of HTML document. Next, write title tag that is to be written within head section. I am writing some text in title tag like hello. That will be shown on title bar or tab of the browser window. Next, write body tag after the head section. The body tag contains whole content of the web page. In body tag, I am using h1 tag and write some text like this is the first HTML example and close the h1 tag and also close the body tag. The h1 tag shows the text in bold and in enlarged size. Now save this file by just clicking the save option from file menu or press Ctrl S shortcut key. Now this file is saved. After that, go to that folder on desktop, open that folder. You can see the hello.txt file exists in this folder. Double click on that file. It will open in browser and it shows the HTML page that is coded by you. In the next video, we will learn more about tags of HTML. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and comment on this video. Also subscribe to this channel, and to get more videos, click on bell icon.